tree with goo-goo guns and this'll tweaks at once.
Trim every blessed window and trim every blessed door.
Hang up hoo-hoo bricks,
Then run out and get some more.
hang pantukas on the ceiling, pile pampunas on the floor. Trim every blessed needle on the blessed Christmas tree. Christmas comes tomorrow, trim you, trim me. Trim up the tree with fuzzle fuzz and blipper bloofs and wuzzle wuzz. Trim up your uncle and your aunt with yards of
Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, did not. The Grinch hated Christmas, the whole Christmas season. Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason. But I think that the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small. But whatever the reason, his heart or his shoes, he stood there on Christmas Eve, hating the Whos, staring down from his cave with a sour, grinchy frown at the warm, lighted windows below in their town. For he knew every Who down in Whoville beneath was busy now, hanging a holly Who wreath. And they're hanging their stockings, he snarled with a sneer. Tomorrow is Christmas. It's practically here. I must find some way to keep Christmas from coming. For tomorrow, I know, all those Who girls and boys will wake bright and early. They'll rush for their toys and then, oh, the noise, noise. There's one thing I hate. Oh, the noise. And they'll shriek squeaks and squeals racing round on their wheels. They'll dance with jing-tinglers tied onto their heels. They'll blow their flu-flubers. They'll bang their tartinkers. They'll blow their hoo-hoobers. They'll bang their garkinkers. They'll beat their trum-tookers. They'll slam their sluice-slonkers. And then they'll make ear-splitting noises deluxe on their great big electro-hoo-cardio schnooks. Then the Who's, young and old, will sit down to a feast. And they'll feast, and they'll feast. And they'll feast. They'll feast on Who pudding and rare Who roast beast. Raw roast beast is a feast I can't stand in the least. And then they'll do something I hate most of all. Every Who down in Whoville, the tall and the small, will stand close together with Christmas bells ringing. They'll stand hand in hand. Those Whos will start singing. Sing, and they'll sing, and they'll sing. And the more the Grinch thought of this Who Christmas sing, the more the Grinch thought, I must stop this whole thing. What, for 53 years I've put up with it now? I must stop Christmas from coming. But how? Then he got an idea. An awful idea. The Grinch got a wonderful, awful idea.